What is up, folks? This is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com, and today we have the unboxing of my Watchgang Platinum subscription for December 2018. Now, this is the last Watchgang Platinum shipment that will go out for 2018, obviously, since how it's December. So we're going to open this guy up and see what we got. Now, confession, full confession, I wasn't planning on getting this Watchgang Platinum. But I forgot to put my membership on hold for December and they automatically charged my card. So guess what? We get to do another unboxing with you guys. So this is the Watchgang Platinum December 2018 $299 mystery watch. If you guys have not seen my videos before, definitely right down there in the right-hand corner of the screen, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, ding that bell if you want to be notified in the future. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up. A bunch more Kickstarter watches, a bunch of other watches I've bought and or traded for, and yeah, a lot of cool stuff coming up. But let's tear into this Watchgang Platinum for December 2018. One thing I will point out is that I have not been hugely active in the watch community as of late, just because I've had a lot going on. I've had to kind of set it to the side a little bit. So I have no idea what got sent out for this month's Watchgang Platinum subscription. So it's going to be interesting to see what we have here. But incidentally, this guy came from San Bernardino, California. Mike Daily Drive, San Bernardino, California. Get this guy open. Packing material, don't need. Aquanero. What is an Aquanero? Get the box out of the way here. This is their December poster, it looks like, along with their poster contest. I don't pay attention to these historically, have never paid attention to these too much. However, it looks like there's some coupons on the back if you guys are interested in purchasing another tier. Coupon codes on the back of that. I'll post those up in the description section down below. This is an Aquanero. Let's see what we have here. Pretty decent box so far. Can't complain about that. A little push button to open this guy up. And, well, they met my preferences. That's a huge plus. Stainless steel bracelet. Guys, let me get the plastic off of this, see if I can find out a little bit more about it, and then we will come back and take a look. So this is the Sailmaker by Aquanero, which incidentally is the only model that Aquanero watches lists on their site as part of their collections. So I don't know anything about this watch company, anything about this watch to speak of as far as its history, that type of thing, because quite honestly, I haven't taken the time to do a whole lot of research about it. But the things that I can tell you is they are selling this with an MSRP of $795. $795 on this Aquanero Sailmaker. Now, just as a quick reminder, Watchgang Platinum subscriptions are $299. So about $300, $310, give or take, with shipping is what I paid for this Aquanero Sailmaker. Now, you can see I did get the stainless steel with burnt orange dial. Now, I don't normally like that coloring, but quite honestly, I don't have anything near it in my collection currently, so I think it's something that will likely stick around a little bit, just simply because it is different. It's not a color combination that I have. The build quality on this watch, just from the fit and finish of it, the feel of it, it feels pretty solid. There's some weight, there's some heft to this stainless steel bracelet. There's some heft to this stainless steel case. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel chintzy. These links don't feel hollow. They feel like they're solid links. And then, of course, we'll get some close-up pictures a little bit later, but you can see right there on that burnt orange dial, it does have a coarse sand texture to it. And then that up against those black and white raised indices, applied raised indices, I think looks pretty sharp. I don't have any complaints about this whatsoever. The other thing you'll notice about this is there's a combination of brushed stainless steel as well as polished stainless steel. I'm personally a fan of that treatment. I like seeing the brushed and the polished next to each other. I think it gives some contrast to the watch, to the design. If we want to talk about the size of this watch is 43 millimeters in diameter with a case thickness of 13 millimeters. Now that includes that sapphire super dome crystal that is on the top, and if you see, you can kind of see the angle on that, they call it a super dome sapphire crystal that is covering this watch face. If we spin it around here, you do see Aquanero has their logo right there on that screw down crown. This guy does have a quick release deployment clasp, hidden deployment clasp I should say, with the Aquanero engraving as well as logo right there on that stainless steel bracelet. If we flip this guy over, we can see it does have an exhibition case back, which is showing off an automatic Miyota 8215 movement. Miyota 8215 movement is in this Aquanero. Now that 8215 is 21 joule, 21,000 vibrations per hour, and a 42-hour power reserve. 42-hour power reserve on that Miyota 8215. All in all, guys, I think personally, I don't mind this watch. I actually dig it a little bit. There's something about the case design on it that looks like it's going to be comfortable. It looks like it's going to be something that fits in my collection relatively easily, again, because I don't have anything with those color combinations. It does not feel cheap. The stainless steel on it feels like it's of a higher quality than some of what I've seen. Not horrible. Watchgang Platinum subscription for December 2018. Guys, quite honestly, I'm not sure if I'm going to continue with my Watchgang subscriptions or not. I know I am not going to be doing Watchgang Black subscriptions anymore just because of all of the Watchgang Black watches that I received. I just wasn't real fans of them, and most of the watches I've actually sent on their way. The Platinums I've had much better luck with. Again, you're spending more money, take bigger risk, just like I did with this bronze Nautis that I received in a previous month. This guy, not too bad. Taking a look around at resale price on this watch, what these watches are going for on the open market. I have seen a few of these on Poshmark, and guys are trying to get $720 for these, $725. I don't think they're going to get $725 for these, quite honestly. If we jump over to eBay, it does look like you can pick one of these guys up right around sub price, Watchgang Platinum subscription price of $299. There's a few guys that are selling theirs for $290, $295, $300, $315. There is one blue one, which actually I really like the coloring in the blue dial. Out of all their different color combinations, I think the burnt orange is my least favorite. However, again, guys, I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I'm not too upset about that. But there is one right now on eBay that has a current bid of $175.50. So if you're looking for one of these Aquanero Sailmakers, there are a bunch of subscription watches that have hit the market now. You can pick one up on eBay near or sometimes even below Watchgang subscription pricing. So just keep an eye out. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get out of here. If you want to see this watch on my wrist or any watches that I have on my wrist on a daily basis, don't forget to follow us on Instagram /watchaddiction.us. All right, guys, I am going to get out of here. I hope you guys have a great week, and we'll come back next week with another Kickstarter watch unboxing. Thank you, guys, and have a great holiday.